Hello everyone, so I'm Prakhar Bhargav. I'm a final year student in mechanical engineering from IIT Trichy. So being in my final year, my placements and my entrance exams were on the line, and I need to have a discussion with someone being experienced as Kushal, and I found him on LinkedIn, and we had a discussion over a meet, and the discussion was all about the career path I'm choosing. For example, consulting or marketing or product management, or what are the pros and cons of different roles that I'll be getting into if I choose one of them. What are the aspects I should look to choosing a career, choosing a company, etc., targeting a company. So wherein we had a very clear discussion that what are the career paths, what are the career growth in different industry. Is my knowledge, is my learnings, or what I like is resonating with these kind of industries or not. Which got me cleared about what should I pursue right now. Is it placements or go for entrance for MBA? So I had very different questions, and which I got cleared through the discussion. So that helped me a lot, and I would like to recommend everyone of all of you to reach out to him and have a discussion, have a very informal discussion, and with a very experienced as well as person who is having a lot of instances about different people, which will get you into shoes of a person who is actually pursuing that career, which you will know about from the discussion. When you analyze it, you'll get a path for yourself, and you can decide what should you get into. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sayam. So I recently had a career discussion with Kushal, which was really fruitful for me personally. So it was essentially a discussion about a specific career and how I should go about my career plans and goals. So the entire conversation with Kushal really helped me. The thing I liked the most was that the entire conversation and flow was extremely structured, and all the advice that I got from Kushal was extremely based on his own experiences as well as the ground reality. So that really helped me discover a perspective that I, as a student, don't know. This was definitely a great experience as it helped me shape up what my next step should be and how I should approach this specific industry, how I should go about my entire career process. I would definitely recommend any colleagues of mine and any potential people watching this video to take the advice of Kushal and get on a career discussion with him. Thank you.
Well, good evening everyone. Today I would like to tell about my mentor Kushal Bhatnagar sir, whom I connected in LinkedIn few time back. I was really having a mental stress since a long period of time with respect to my career growth and the field, which I was not able to recognize where should I work on. Kushal sir set up a conversation with me and exploring my qualifications. He told me the backlogs and how do I need to improvise on the same. He made me recognize my skill sets after carefully evaluating my work experience and the professional qualifications I have. Kushal's approach is practically visionary and action oriented, which is helping me a lot in realizing my true inner professional qualities. And sir, I am continuously working on the same, and I hope the result will be positive as well. I would like to thank you, sir, and would recommend students, the upcoming freshers, and the experienced professionals as well to take guidance from sir in every aspect of their professional field. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishek. Completed my MBA from MDI Gurgaon in 2021. Last week I had a session with Kushal regarding career related decisions. As a fresh MBA pass out, I had lot of confusions in my mind regarding the sector for which to work for and how much time to devote to a particular company before moving on to the next one. And post the session with Kushal, it was pretty much clear to me that I should devote ample amount of time to a particular company, understand the criticalities and working of the sector, and look through multiple roles within the organization to identify the best which suits your profile and interest. We also worked on identifying the right sector as per the suitability of my profile and interest. As per the approach which Kushal followed, he followed an approach of solving the issue rather than running away from it. For example, changing multiple organizations within a short time is like running away from an issue. And sticking to a particular organization for a particular amount of time and understanding the working of or the company is like solving an issue and seeking better roles within the same organization. So anyone seeking such kind of career guidance or advices, I would like them to suggest to have such kind of sessions. And I would like to thank Kushal for his wonderful time and the guidance during that session. Thank you.